What's up? I'm MS9. So, you want to learn how to use SketchUp, right? Well, I've got SketchUp open here. I've got it just blank. So, what we're going to do is, let's say you wanted to make a house, right? You're going to come up here and you're going to click this little brown square. You're going to click that. And then you're going to take your mouse pointer, and you're going to go to the middle of the axes. It should line up with like a green dot, and it should say origin. You click once, and then you drag out however big you want your house to be. And then you click again. Now, for rigs of rods, I'm assuming that you already have the plugins installed. I do not have the plugins installed. But for rigs of rods, you have to right-click this and reverse the faces. It should become white. If you do not do that, all of your faces will be backwards. So, like, you won't see the house until you like fly your camera inside of it. For some reason, Ogre does not support dual face. I mean, you can do it in the material file, but by default, it does not support inside and outside faces at the same time. So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna come up to this little tool right here. It's called the push-pull tool. You'll click that, and it'll change your cursor to be this. Now you'll hover your cursor over this face until it turns like blue or whatever. You'll click that and you'll just drag up however big you want your house to be. So let's say this is fine. Now you want to put a roof on, right? So you'll come over to this little pencil tool right here. You'll click that. Now you're going to want to find the middle or the midpoint on one of your sides. So you're going to want to find that midpoint. You'll click on it and you'll drag it to the other side where it says midpoint at the same time. And then for this, you'll come over to this tool. It's called the move tool. You will click right in the center of this line. Now your line is selected, right? You're going to want to take your camera down and you'll start seeing this little line right here. You want to make it blue and then drag it as far up as you want your roof to be. Say that's fine. If it doesn't work, try pressing Alt. Sometimes that messes it up or whatever. I don't know. Now, you want to add a little bit of dimension to your roof, right? Well, you're going to come up to this tool right here. It is called the offset tool. You'll take it on this side and you'll drag it to however thick you want your roof to be. Now, you have to do this the exact same width or size on all of your faces. So you'll take this face, you'll line it up here. You have to drag it from the top and then line it up with this corner right here. Oops. So you'll drag it from the top and you'll line it up with this corner. Now they should be the same exact size. And then you'll just continue to do this for all of your faces. So you'll do that. Actually, I'm going to redo that. I don't think I did that right. For this one, I recommend dragging it down and then going to the opposite side and just trying to find, where you took it from. So that should be the same size. Yep. All right. Then this side, exact same way I showed you. There. You should have these weird looking faces. Now, you are going to want to take your move tool and you are going to want to move these all the way to the edge. Now, you should have this looking shape. You're going to take your push-pull tool and you're going to drag it out, let's say 10 distance. Down in the bottom right, there is a meter that shows you how far away your distance is and stuff. And I recommend at least 10, which is, I think it's in inches, feet in inches. So like 10 feet. Oops. You're going to drag it out 10 feet at least. Or 10 inches, sorry. 10 inches. I'm sorry, I'm very tired today. And then there you go. You got your little simple little building here. So you want to texture it, right? Well, you're going to want to come up to here, click this little paint bucket. It should come up with this little materials menu. Now, let's say you wanted your walls to be brick. Well, you're going to come to this folder where it says brick and cladding, and you'll just click this, and then you'll click on the faces that you want to have that texture. And then let's say you want to put some roofing up here, right? Well, you'll go to the roofing section. You'll click whatever one you want. It doesn't really matter. And then you'll just click on the roof where you want it to be textured. And there you go. There you go. A bit of a little heads up. When exporting from Sketchup, if you leave these white faces, Ogre will try to just automatically configure them to be whatever textures. So like if you have random textures, those will most likely, that's most likely the problem, is you didn't texture these. So alright, this should be everything you need to know about SketchUp and Ogre. If you have any questions, send me a DM on Discord. I know we're having some issues right now with, new usernames. I have not gotten mine changed yet as at the time of recording this, so if I end up getting it changed, I'll let y'all know. But at the current moment, I still have the original username. But if you have any questions, send me a DM. I'll be happy to answer them. So, thanks for watching.